Good?
Oh.
Hello. Oh, boards.
Last night they were pulling pints at pesky Pendleton. Stuck away from the fire, slept there with the grass and wind. Looked up at the heavens, saw how small I really was. I wanna build a house and some sad-eyed middle-aged man told the price, no leather couch, and we argued about Jesus. Finally found some middle ground. I said I'm cured. And I
Sorry about this angle, it's not very great, but today is Monday and I have been home for about a week now and I've just been playing some guitar. My dad has quite a few guitars at home, so sometimes when I come back I like to play them because they're a wee bit nicer than mine. I'm not sure if I'll have included any of those clips because I didn't sound very good. My guitar playing skills aren't that great. I never had like lessons or anything like that. My dad just taught me a bit when I was younger, and then now because I play just like casually, I don't feel as though I have progressed really at all with my guitar playing, so I don't really sound that good. And also my singing right now is just not good either, so I'm not sure if you all have seen anything, but I'm gonna try and play quite a lot while I'm back, so hopefully it will get a bit better. But I started my morning with a workout. We have a treadmill in our garage here and I'm trying to make the most of it, and I'm hoping that if I go on it enough while I'm home, that when I get back up to Glasgow I'll feel more motivated to buy a gym membership and like actually use it. But I'm not very hopeful, to be honest, because I hate the gym. So I'm not really sure if that will happen. And also, I've only been on the treadmill once. The plan for today is, I think Danny and I might go to the cinema later. I feel like that will be fun. But I really want to edit and upload a video before that. But it's already 2:30, so I'm not actually sure if I'll do it on time because it takes me quite a while now to edit my videos. But we'll see. I'm gonna make some lunch right now. I have some ramen and some tofu to have, so that'll be really tasty. I've also been using like a new skincare and I feel like it's breaking my skin out, but I don't know if it's like, I feel like I've heard before, you know, when you use new skincare and then it makes your skin break out and then it gets really clear. I'm hoping that's what's happening. My lips are also really dry. Okay, I'm really hungry. We are at the cinema. We are watching Five Nights at Freddy's, which I've actually heard is really bad. But we wanted to come to the cinema and this is the only thing we kind of wanted to see. I actually want to see the new Martin Scorsese film, but Danny said no.
It's a bit hardcore for a Monday night.
camera until I was packing. It's my mum's old digital camera that she used to like bring on holidays and stuff like that. But I really like how it looks for videos because I feel like it looks nice and retro. I look a bit of a mess. I started my day with going on the treadmill, doing a little workout, and now I'm just taking Clara on a walk. My parents are on holiday right now, so I'm looking after Clara and Bones. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back and wash my hair. I think I might cut my fringe again today. I'm hoping you can hear me. I'm not really sure how good the sound is on this, especially with the wind, but it's very sunny today. Clara! These scissors are not very good. Let me do the other ones. Kitchen scissors. Is this a bad idea? Clara, do you not like it? Is it not good? You guys will not know this, but I actually used to play the cornet for so many years, and I don't really play it anymore, but I kind of want to get back into it. I feel like it's like a nice thing to play. Also, if you don't know what a cornet is, as you can tell, it's basically a small trumpet. Yeah, I kind of want to get back into it, to be honest, but I sound pretty rusty right now. I also can't find any music right now, but I was just like doing a couple scales and I sound pretty bad, but I can practice, I guess. Look what Danny just surprised me with. A cute bunch of flowers.
Whoa! Best boyfriend ever.
Thanks. They are very, very pretty.
What happened after this?